Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about why you should consider Salesforce as a career. But before moving further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of our channel. So what is Salesforce? First and foremost, Salesforce is a CRM tool. Secondly, it is a cloud application. The Salesforce platform puts all the departments of a company on one page where the customer is concerned. This makes it not only a unifying factor, but also a shared customer database that the service, sales, and customer support teams can use in following up and interacting with their customers. Having one voice, one narrative, and one view using this tool helps businesses to improve their interaction with each other and at the same time improve customer experience. Two advantages that Salesforce has for small and large businesses is that it is hosted on the cloud. This means that minimal installation or hardware costs will be incurred in adapting the Salesforce application as a CRM tool. Secondly, the software aligns with the latest and perhaps indispensable technologies including cloud computing, big data, and the Internet of Things, IoT. This makes it possible to incorporate it seamlessly into the business infrastructure. Salesforce as a career. Salesforce is a CRM platform with at least 800 functionalities. It is an ecosystem consisting of customer management and monitoring, workflow management, collaboration, analytics, email, social media, and IoT integration, as well as sales, forecast, and lead generation tools, among others. This makes the Salesforce software one of the top CRM solutions, and the Salesforce skills some of the most in-demand skills which businesses need for their marketing strategies to take off. Businesses need experts to develop, operate, customize, and maintain their Salesforce software to realize goals, and the demand for skills across the globe is huge. The projected demand for Salesforce skilled jobs is projected to hit 3.3 million by 2022, thanks to more than 200,000 companies switching to Salesforce. This is the best time to start a Salesforce career. And plus of being in high demand, Salesforce professionals are one of the highest paid workers in IT. Below is the salary of few Salesforce professionals. Salesforce Architect. The Salesforce Architect is responsible for the technical design of the Salesforce systems and infrastructure for the business. A Salesforce Architect in the U.S. earns an average of $163,500. Salesforce Developer. Salesforce developers are part of the development team. They're responsible for building applications, especially during setup. These people possess apt coding skills. The Salesforce developer today commands an average salary of $135,000. Salesforce Administrator. Salesforce admins are responsible for the overall check of the Salesforce platform. They are in charge of improving productivity and enhancing processes to achieve seamless workflows for projects while solving challenges that will arise, resetting passwords, helping users generate reports, keeping an eye on the database, customize the software to fit the needs of the business, as well as train users of the application. The Salesforce admin role was, by 2018, attracting an average salary of $95,000. Salesforce Business Analyst. A business analyst job is to work between departments, identify requirements and the project scope, create the solution design, implement the design, test the design, and make sure the solution is maintained. They may not do every single step, but they are involved in the process from beginning to the end. The average salary of a Salesforce Business Analyst is $115,000. Salesforce Consultant. The Salesforce Consultant is mostly involved with the implementation of the Salesforce platform. They will meet with clients, discuss their needs, customize and help with the implementation of the software. They could also be involved with training and educating Salesforce users. The average salary of a Salesforce Business Consultant is $125,000. So guys, Salesforce is definitely a career you should consider because of the high demand and the amount of money Salesforce professionals make. If you are looking to become a Salesforce Business Analyst, click the link in the description below to sign up. Our Salesforce Business Analyst tutorial will allow you to start a Salesforce career within 30 days. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and show your support in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.